Okay, this is the Buffalo Blizzard of 2022. Here's Joey. He's gonna go down this giant hill. Scooch forward. No, just go, you'll be fine.
Are you sure?
Chestnut Ridge Park, yep.
I can't turn in this.
It's okay, they'll see you coming. Keep scooching. Oh, he's getting momentum. He's getting momentum.
Oh no, I'm going
He's turning a little bit. Everything's good. It's a nice big hill. There he goes. We'll try and zoom in. He's still going. He's about, oh dude. He almost hit him. He's about 200 or 300 yards away. We're on 10 times amplification. This will give you an idea if I go like this. Oh, I can't. That's regular. So that's how big this mountain is. There's the toboggan run. We'll make more videos.